So since about March, I've been seeing this star or planet in the sky, very bright in the west part of the sky, and it's brighter than all the stars. And at first, I thought maybe it was part of the like a mini moon. I was looking online for things. Well, actually, today when I was looking up, someone had said that it's a star of Bethlehem, which is interesting. And they were saying that it may be around until Passover. So I don't know, but it's very interesting. Other research is saying it's Venus, and Venus is sometimes referred to as the morning star. So just a lot, very interesting. But it's definitely just super bright, and so when the moon comes out and it's visible before before dark, and I have a couple night shots coming up. I'll show you. But the first photo in this was around the 13th
I'm
of
seeing the
March,
star above the moon each day.
and then I think this was like around the 31st,
I remember seeing it like last year.
and then towards the end on today, the first.
I think it's a star. I'm not sure. So when I zoom in, I see the moon. Maybe it's the planet. I don't know. Let's see how round it is. I'll take some appearance here.
I tried to see it with binoculars, and I could see him myself. I tried to film it through the binoculars, but that turned out to be a little too difficult.
This is the zoom on my camera.
Now I'll try to zoom in with my editing software.
And then over here, here's the star. Not sure if that's Venus or a star. Looking online a bit. Bethlehem, and that it may be there until Passover. It's interesting, to say the least. Yeah, very strange. Just to give a little bit of, there's the moon, mountain. This is in the west sky. Again, not sure if it's Venus. Definitely interesting. Very strange. Waiting for the Lord to come back to go no in. But maybe soon. Very exciting. Be ready. Excited to be ready for another day or the hour of a lot of things. Well, he said you don't know the day or the hour. I'm saying I don't know the day or the hour of a lot of things. It's definitely an interesting time.
Just know that he called us to be ready, and that we can through him, through his blood, through what he did on the cross, that he took our place. For God so loved the world, he said, It says in John 3:16, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes on him shall not perish, but have everlasting life."